You've heard this sound all over your TikTok feed, but what is the Doi Doi trend? It all started on a Kai Cenat livestream. Comedian Howie Mandel told him, "The next 2 minutes can change your life." And what followed was Kai's now iconic, abstract performance of Rihanna's song Diamonds. Instead of singing the lyrics, he made this unforgettable sound into his hand. That right there is the Doi Doi. The clip went viral instantly because of how random and hilarious it was. And now everyone is trying to make Doi 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 sound. And if you also want to make this sound, here's the tutorial for it, which is very simply explained by creator at Quinn's Cute Secret account.
Okay, here's a tutorial on how to do the Doi 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 trend, or like this.
Doi, 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 doi.
So first you start off in a fist like this, and you want to leave a little gap here, like not too big like that, but not where there's like no gap in your fist. And then lift your pinky up and make sure that there still is the gap in between. There's kind of like a dent in your hand, so you want to push your fingers like into that dent so there's no gaps in between. And then basically you just want to like put your lips right here and like put your hand really hard into your mouth and then say girl.
Doi, 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 doi.
And you'll get the hang of it later, like the more you practice.
So this is it, that's how you do this trend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.